So this is my new smart door lock. This is everything that comes with it in the kit. Super simple to install. I'm only going to need the little Allen wrench to turn the door the other way and a screwdriver to put the screws in on each side. Now this product was a gift, but I chose this because I needed to update my door. I have a door that I use all the time and I'm constantly having to carry my key on me, and I really don't want to do that. So this has 5 different ways you can access the door. And so you can do fingerprint, you can do the numbers, you can do this little card that comes with it. So you get 2 little cards, and all you do is pass it in front. So I can keep that on me. I can use the actual key if I want, which is not what I want to do. Or on my phone, so they make an app. It's a Bluetooth app, and all you do is Bluetooth to it, it'll unlock it. So you have to be in a certain range, but it'll unlock it. So I thought that was really cool. Also has an indicator that tells you when it's locked, when it's unlocked. They have weatherproof stripping for both sides. This is going to be just a huge upgrade. And so I'll kind of give you a close-up on everything you get. Then I'll go ahead and install it and do a demo on a couple ways to unlock it. So before I got this, I did measure for where the door handle goes, that the knob is going to be at the right place. And that's something you want to double check before you order any door. But most doors are standard, so it'll fit on any one of them. This is super simple. I'm going to show you real quick right here, then I'll install it. But all you're going to do is you're going to line up this piece with your door, and then this one goes on the other side. So it basically looks like this. You screw it together with the door in between like that, and that's it. That's the whole installation. Besides passing this through that hole, and then you want to hook this to the battery side right here. It takes 4 AAA batteries, sorry, AA batteries, 4 AA batteries. They don't come with it, so you got to get those yourself. And if you ever have a problem where you can't get into the door and it's not opening, use your key, or you can actually use a power bank, plug it in, it'll give it a little juice, and then you can use the other way to get in. So it's up to you how you want to do it. Let's go ahead and install it and show a couple ways to open the door. So I did a little bit of prep work before. I put on all these pieces. They just screw right on. This has a pin. It goes straight in there. There's the washers on both. Now they have an arrow that goes up. And I installed the 4 AAA batteries. Those don't come with it, so you have to get your own. And then I have removed the old hardware and put the new key set in. Okay, we're all set, so I thought I'd give some tips and tricks now that it's in. Once you download the app, it's going to be set to auto lock. So you want to go in the app and turn that off. That way it doesn't keep locking every time you open it, unless that's something that you want. Now I'll put up on the screen here a little screen recording of me. I made a profile for my mom, and then you go ahead and add what you want. You put in the passcode, and then so you make it up. It has to be 6 digits. So you put in 6 digits, and then you save it. It'll save to the doorknob, and you have to be next to it while you're doing this. And then you're ready to go. You have a profile set up. You can make that for any one of your family. You add the digital cards, your keys, or you could do the fingerprints. Okay, so once you unlock with the card, it's going to stay unlocked since I have that auto lock feature turned off. Now to lock it again, we're going to push you have to turn it on first. So you want it to turn blue. Hold it down for 3 seconds, and it says locked, and it locks it. Now it's locked. So to unlock it again, you punch in your code, which I'm not going to share my code, or you put your card, and now it's unlocked again. So once you unlock it and that auto lock is off, it'll stay unlocked. All in all, I think it was really simple to install. The app is really easy to use, and I like all the features of it. It's a great lock, and I look forward to making it easier to get into my property now.